Okay, real simple. You guys are under arrest.
No,
you're not in charge for theft. Put your hands in front of you. You're going to place your handcuffs.
Okay, can you? Okay.
It's not up for debate.
Stop.
It's not up for debate.
Get the fuck. Okay.
3 legal questions define this encounter: the validity of probable cause for retail theft, the constitutionality of force against a resisting pregnant suspect, and the independent criminal exposure created by resisting a lawful arrest. The Fourth Amendment requires probable cause, a reasonable, articulable belief that a crime is being committed before any lawful arrest can be made. Probable cause here rests on 2 independent sources: real-time CCTV documentation of skip scanning and direct officer observation of the completed fraudulent transaction at checkout. Illinois versus Gates, 1983, establishes a totality of circumstances test. Documented surveillance combined with personal observation satisfies that standard.
When the officer arrived, he noticed the mother and daughter only paying for the items they scanned and not the items they stole. He waited patiently before they left the store to catch them red-handed.
Yes.
Like what?
You're ringing stuff up as Kool-Aid packets, and then you ring up a tank top for the shirt.
I'm going to hang on to your purse for you.
No, you're not going to touch my purse. And you can keep that.
You're the one who's not cooperative. You're under arrest.
No,
you are under arrest.
I didn't walk out that door.
Do not move. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. Do not move.
Oh!
Yes.
Okay, here. I'll take it.
Just follow. Go with them. Go with them. I need you to come here. Place your hands behind your back.
I'm not going to jail.
I didn't say you're going to jail. I said you're under arrest.
No, that's...
Sir, you cannot touch me.
This. I can't. You are under arrest.
I did not go nowhere. I did not even go nowhere. What is wrong with you? Get your hands off of me. Okay, get your hands off of me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
No, you need to back up because
she's pregnant.
She didn't leave.
I didn't even go nowhere.
I'm not messing with
She didn't leave the door, so therefore you can't grab her.
Okay, can you let me go?
Let go.
No, I cannot.
Okay.
Yes, you
You
can.
are under arrest.
No,
For
she's
what?
not under arrest. She didn't leave out the
I didn't
door.
even go nowhere.
Watch out. Get off her.
Okay, can you just let me go?
No, I cannot.
Okay, I will do what you ask. This is my daughter. Can you stop, please?
I need her to leave me alone.
Stop. Okay, Pyra, stop.
No.
Pyra, stop. Okay, she's pregnant. Please let me go, and I will calm down. Stop. Why are you squeezing my arm? Get my phone and record this.
No, he can't do nothing. He didn't. You just walk out the door.
Okay.
Get
What are
off
you doing? I'm not even doing nothing.
Get off of her. She
I'm
didn't
not-
go out the door, so it's
I'm not even doing nothing.
Let her go.
I'm not even doing
You have
nothing.
your items, so you have to let her go.
She is pregnant.
Okay,
You
real
guys
simple.
are
You guys are under arrest.
No,
You're
you
not
guys
in charge
are
for
not under
theft.
arrest.
Put your hands in front of you.
No.
You're going to
Okay,
place your
okay.
handcuffs.
Okay, can you? Okay.
It's not up for debate.
Stop.
It's not up for debate.
Get the fuck. Get the fuck
Then
out.
stop resisting.
Get off of me, bro.
Stop resisting. Put your hands in
Move.
front of me.
Let me calm
I'm
Get
offering to
off of me.
handcuff you. Do not interfere with me.
Off of me.
Stop it.
Get off of me.
I'm trying to not hurt you. You are under arrest. You are not in charge of this.
Move. Get the fuck off of me. Get off. Get off of me. Get the fuck. No, get off.
What?
Okay. No, I'm pregnant. Get off of me.
Well, you gotta stop fighting, okay?
Okay, get off of me.
All right, stand up. Stand up for me. Put your hands on your back, okay? Put your hands on your back. Yeah.
Get off of me. I didn't do
I got
nothing. Get the fuck off of me.
Help them.
You got her?
No, move. Get off of me. I didn't do nothing. Get the fuck off of me.
You're under arrest. Let's go.
Move. Get off of me. I didn't do nothing. Get the fuck off of me.
Don't touch me.
3. Yes.
You didn't have to do that.
And you ain't have to hit her.
You was twice her age, man. You ain't have to do that.
Everything, and I recorded it. Black people don't got no rights. Okay.
You want to pull this leg in?
Yes, can I just want to make sure my daughter's all right.
Well, your daughter's out there. She's fine.
walking out.
Okay.
You would have just with.
I mean, you shouldn't have did all that. She was pregnant.
Okay, she's still resisting.
No, she's not resisting. She was just saying,
Put your leg up.
oh my God.
Well, thick as fuck. Got everything? Shoot it.
Okay.
That's her card.
I think her receipt's in her bag.
You can leave. Like,
Yeah, 524 and 456.
So I'm going to take it.
No, we're waiting.
Thank you.
You're good.
Are you really arrested me?
Have a question?
So like, go
Do you
downtown?
understand your rights? Do you understand your rights?
Okay, I gotta call
Yes, you're under arrest for theft. Okay? It doesn't matter if you haven't left the store. Once you pass the last point of sale,
I didn't pass nothing.
okay, well, they have enough to
Consider
you're under
once
arrest.
you conceal an item, it is theft, whether you are in the store or not.
Okay, but we're...
All right, we're not having court out here. Just go.
Okay.
Yes, you are going downtown. Have a seat.
No.
My pastor, he want to know what's going on. He just want me to ask what's going on, that's all.
They're under arrest for
Stealing, they didn't want to be detained for stealing, and they resisted arrest.
They were stealing.
Yep.
Okay, let me let him. This is the pastor. I don't forget about
That's
he didn't
just that.
he didn't
They were caught
ask
gang
me.
of stealing. They were approached by it, started the scene, didn't want to be placed under arrest for it, and that's where we're at now.
Okay, let me just let him know.
State, not local.
Pastor.
I might not have
Okay, hold on. What you say? You what?
They're placed under arrest. They were stealing. They didn't want to be detained for the theft. They resisted arrest. Now they're both going to county jail. Correct. Correct. And Officer Ortega.
The county, right?
Yep, Jackson Pike. What's your name, young lady?
my name is Sahar. See my ID. I watched you look through the whole purse. There's nothing in there. I didn't steal nothing. You didn't see me walk out with nothing.
Okay. So you're under arrest right now. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you're not afford an attorney, the courts will appoint one to you. You have the right to stop answering questions anytime you talk to an attorney. You also have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You understand what your rights are? Okay.
The assertion that no arrest was lawful because the subjects had not exited the store has no basis in controlling United States law. In the majority of United States jurisdictions, shoplifting is legally complete upon concealment with intent to steal. Exit from the premises is evidence of intent, not a prerequisite for arrest. The theft total exceeded $500, the threshold that elevates shoplifting from a misdemeanor to a felony-level charge in most states. Criminal exposure here is substantial. Use of force is analyzed under Graham versus Connor. Decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Graham establishes 3 factors: the severity of the offense, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee. All 3 factors support the force applied. A felony-level theft, simultaneous physical resistance from 2 individuals, and zero compliance meet the Graham threshold for soft, empty hand restraint. Pregnancy does not suspend probable cause or arrest authority. It is a tactical and medical consideration, not a legal defense or immunity from lawful detention. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, requires 4 advisements before custodial interrogation: the right to remain silent, that statements may be used in court, the right to an attorney, and the right to appointed counsel if the person cannot afford one. All 4 elements were delivered at the scene upon custodial arrest and confirmed by the subject. Miranda compliance here is complete and constitutionally sound. Resisting a lawful arrest is a separate criminal offense in all 50 United States. Independent of whether the underlying charge results in conviction, resistance carries its own criminal penalty. The mother's physical intervention in her daughter's arrest creates independent exposure under obstruction statutes, distinct from verbal protest, which remains First Amendment protected. The pre-transport contraband advisement is procedurally significant, documented on 2 independent camera systems, creating proof of professional practice and protecting all parties in any subsequent civil or criminal proceeding.
Let me go ahead and grab another phone. Yeah.
Never happens that way for us, unfortunately.
Is that good customer? Yes.
No idea. What did you do to your hand?
I broke my hand. I don't have a cast on anymore. That's all she paid for.
All right. They're coming.
What's that?
They're coming here. She's pregnant. She's hurting. They're gonna go behind the building so that it's not out front.
Less going on.
I just don't want a bunch of. I don't need the crowd coming out there and cause harassment out there too. You know.
Yep.
So this is the stuff they did pay for.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're. I'm assuming they're gonna go to jail, but whatever. We'll just put them.
Back and sign all of it. Completely up to you because I don't give a fuck if they don't get their money back.
I'm not sure either.
Not my problem.
I'll just take it. We'll give them an opportunity to call somebody to pick up their groceries if they want.
Okay.
Come on out, ma'am. You need some help?
Yeah.
All right. It's going to be a little easier if you can lean back a little bit and get that other leg out.
Okay.
There you go. All right. Now we can scooch forward. Now you can press against the frame. There you go. Scoot yourself forward.
I can't. I honestly can't. Woo. Hold on. Oh, shoot.
All right. Let me do this.
Try to take me out like that?
You ready?
Yep.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. There you go. Scoot, 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 scoot. There you go. There you go.
Can I tell you something?
What's up?
I would have, even though I was as mad as I would have never took care of that warrant.
I believe it.
Because I actually forgot about it. And you said,
If you don't get bond posted tonight, you'll see a judge in the morning.
you okay? Where's your purse?
It's up front with me. I'm going to get your purse and stuff now.
He said my phone is on the...
Yep, I'll get it all. Watch your foot, please. Hey, real quick, while I got both of you here, I want to say this now so I don't forget later, okay? Now, understand that what I'm about to say, I tell every person that I take to the county jail. It is not a personal thing. It is not an accusation. It is a statement, okay? If you have anything on you, any drugs, any paraphernalia, or any weapons, right now is your time to tell me. The lighter doesn't count as paraphernalia.
Oh.
Right? Including marijuana. If you got any,
Oh, no, I don't.
Right. I'm not making a judgment. I'm making a statement, right? That
I think I got...
once we get to the county jail, it doesn't matter what it is, right? Your lighter is not irrelevant.
Okay, do you want to put my keys in my...
I'll check here in just a second.
Okay.
But if you have any, pipes, any papers, anything like that, any drugs, once we get in the county jail, it doesn't matter what it is, it becomes a felony 3 for conveyance. So right now, we can deal with it, on possibly like a lower misdemeanor level, depending on what it is. All right? But again, it's not a judgment. It's a statement that I make to every person I take to the county jail. So when we get in there, like, oh, you know, I had dope stuffed up in me. I didn't know. You did know because I gave you the opportunity. I have made the statement. Cruiser camera's recording, my body camera's recording, right? There's no denying that that people were given this warning. Are you worried about something?
What's wrong?
Just about being in the back of the car?
Officer Ortega and his assisting officer receive a B+. Probable cause was documented and legally sound. Miranda was complete and timely. Force was proportional to sustained active resistance. The pre-transport protocol was professionally executed. Minor deductions apply for isolated profanity and unconfirmed post-arrest medical evaluation. The daughter receives a D+. The skip scanning was deliberate and documented. Physical resistance added independent criminal exposure. The legally correct path was compliance. Silence. And legal challenge. Through counsel, not prolonged physical confrontation. The mother receives a D. Co-participation in the original theft. Followed by physical interference with a lawful arrest. Created independent obstruction exposure. The legal argument about store exit was factually and legally incorrect throughout. Lesson 1. Comply first. Contest in court. Resisting a lawful arrest guarantees additional charges regardless of the merits of the original offense. Every act of resistance becomes documented evidence. Lesson 2. Legal myths carry real consequences. The belief that shoplifting requires exiting the store is incorrect in most jurisdictions. Acting on legal misinformation in a live confrontation compounds exposure at every charge level. Lesson 3. Pregnancy does not create arrest immunity. It is a relevant factor in the Graham versus Connor use of force analysis, but it does not override probable cause or lawful arrest authority. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.